we'll guide you through how to generate your Trello API key quickly and easily. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Trello website at trello.com. Log into your Trello account with your credentials if you haven't done so already. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile icon to open the drop-down menu. From there, select Settings to enter your account settings page. On this page, you need to find the Developer API Keys section, which is usually located towards the bottom. Click on the Generate API Key button to create a new API key. A new page will open, displaying your unique API key. Make sure to copy this key and store it in a secure place, as you'll need it to authenticate your Trello integrations and applications. If you need to regenerate or revoke your API key, you can return to this section at any time and follow the same process. Remember, keeping your API key secure is crucial to maintaining the security of your Trello data. That's it, you now have your Trello API key ready to use. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.